Okay, so the next question goes. Thank you for the answers. Question: is one allowed to apply clear nail polish on Shabbos?
Clear nail polish. It's not. Just 1 second. Clear nail polish. What is the problem? I would say no, but I'm trying to understand what the problem is. So one of the practical case that came to my mind. Women, like at least in olden days, what they would do, how to fix the stockings, right? They start like ripping, so they would put like some nail polish, and it's like it works like a glue, and it's going to stop the rip. I don't know what would they do today, but it was in olden days. Maybe today, I mean, it's still going to apply, but to put a nail polish on the nails, clear nail polish, I would say no, but I do not know why. That's I feel no, but I cannot explain why at this point. But let me think about it. Maybe by the end of the class, I would get the idea. It's not smoothing because nail is smooth enough, even though you smooth, but I don't know. So go ahead. Next question.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.